Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Die Ansage. This is a word you might hear often if you listen to the radio or TV. Die Ansage, which means announcement, and is the subject of this video. Die Ansage. Die Ansage. Die Ansage. Die Ansage. Die Ansage is a feminine noun, which we use to talk about a TV or radio announcement. You get its plural form by simply adding the ending n. Die Ansagen. Katja will die Ansage machen, dass sie den ersten Preis gewonnen hat. Katja would like to make the announcement that she won the first prize. Ich weiß noch nicht, wer gewonnen hat. Ich warte auf die Ansage der Ergebnisse. I still don't know who won. I'm waiting to hear the announcement of the results. Der Pilot machte kurz vor dem Flug eine Ansage. The pilot made an announcement right before the flight. In einigen Fällen werden Sie bei einem Anruf eine automatische Ansage hören. In some cases, you will hear a recorded message when making a call. Das war eine klare Ansage, dass wir mehr Obst essen sollten. That was a clear message that we should eat more fruit. Today we learned about a feminine noun, die Ansage, which means announcement or message. And now a little exercise or Übung. The words from the sentences are mixed up. Build the correct sentence. And write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson!